a little bit off to the right. Okay. If you know, a lot of the lefties have kind of a lefty hook. Okay. Some righties do a little bit. You want to try to straighten that out as much as you can, but if you know you consistently have a hook, you have to count for that. Okay. So I'm going to aim maybe a little bit to the right. Okay. And I'm going to take my steps back from there. Okay. If I have a day where there's 15-mile-an-hour wind, 20-mile-an-hour wind, 30-mile-an-hour wind, I'm going to adjust for that too. Okay, and that's what you do before game, before practice. You go out, test the wind. Okay, from here, if I aim straight at the right upright, okay, with the wind today, by the time that football gets there, it turns and goes straight down the middle. Okay, or I might aim a couple yards outside the post, okay, on a really windy day. So I know by the time that ball gets to those posts, it's going to curve and the wind's going to take it right through the middle. Okay, so that's kind of what you have to do before a game. Okay, go kind of gather that data, figure out what the wind is doing, look at the flags on the posts, okay, look at what the American flag is doing, okay, and then an hour later, when you haven't kicked the football during a game, okay, what are the flags doing? Are they doing the same thing? Can I trust that target line that I had during pregame or halftime? And then you got to trust that line, okay? So we take our steps back, no matter where your target line is. If it's down the middle, I'm taking my steps back from that target line. My target line is the post, the right post. I'm going to take my steps back straight from the post. Okay, so we're not going to stay straight from the field goal post. We're going to go straight back from my target line. Okay, and this is how important it is. Okay, to a guy that's paid a lot of money to kick a football now. He takes his steps back, looks at his target line, takes his steps back. 1, 2, 3. He gets back here. Draws kind of a visual line from his foot through the football to the target line. Okay, that's how important it is for him. And then he's going to take his steps over. And now your steps over to kind of give you a visual. Okay, take my steps back. I'm going to take my steps over to 90 degrees from that target line. Okay, so Zach Hocker picked at Arkansas. Spent some time in some preseasons. This is our elite camp, a calm night. Okay, so he's aiming straight down the middle. Okay, he's out kind of on the left side, left hash. So he's going to draw his target line straight down the middle, take his steps back. He's going 90 degrees from that target line. Okay, he's not coming back here to this line and following this line. Okay, he's keeping it 90 degrees from here. So then, if he were to go to the right hash, okay, and if he was hitting this way, and the posts were right here. Draw that target line this way, and he'd actually end up over here, okay, going 90 degrees. So this whole thing kind of shifts wherever you're on the field. Every kick is the same, no matter where you are. We'll do some sideline drills today. We're going to see if you can stay consistent with your measurements on the left hash, on the right hash, or is it going to throw you off a bit.